In this video, I'm about to show you how to use Hailuo AI in a mobile device. So this is going to be pretty easy. As you can see right in front of me, I got Hailuo AI, so you can simply head over to hailuoai.com. You can see this kind of interface. Now, to get started with generating these kind of amazing videos, what you need to do here is you simply need to click onto this sign in option on the top right side of your screen, and then you can continue with your account. So let's just log into my account. I'm going to be choosing one of my Google account, which I usually use for signing in, and boom, you should be good to go. We are now ready to go with the platform.
Welcome to the Hailuo.
Okay, so we can see we have our prompt box right in the center. We can enter in here a prompt, like for example anything. Warrior in black for clock faces a massive dragon, snowy battlefield, cinematic lighting and stuff like that. So that's how you can use Hailuo AI in a mobile device.